Hello traders, today 4th of October 2023. What an amazing trade guys, beautiful trade on pound dollar. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That was a pretty straightforward based on the 4 hour. This is what I explained to my trader this morning. As we mentioned here, we had this short trade here by the way. First, bank fee puppies, as soon as the market rejected, we as explained my trade, look for this breakout. We had this long trade, bank amazing profit around this level. That's what I explained my trader. There's a possibility of short trade here. We also holding a short trade here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entry. That was a pretty straightforward. If you look at here this morning, that was the beautiful breakout short trade here, amazing profit, price nicely broken, bank a beautiful profit. I'm banking after banking some profit. Explain my trader. Let's let the market develop another structure. As you can see here, as soon as the market impulsively reverse, right? That's what I explained. If the market is going to pull back at this level, then short, otherwise not. Let the market break the structure and after that keep taking a pullback. So we had this beautiful, once we see the rejection in 4 hour, that was a beautiful breakout long trade here. Afterwards we announced another one long trade as soon as the price hit to the first target. That's what I explained my trade is time to enjoy some profit. And I even after banking some profit, as you can see here, we did another analysis, guys. Any pullback would consider high probability trade. We have another beautiful long trade here. After banking some profit, were we expecting there's a possibility of price might going to reverse, and this is what we did analysis and still trader holding. As explained, my trader look for this structure breakout. As you can see, a market nicely broken, hit to the first target. As explained to my trader, consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. We really enjoy guys today, and if you want to see all that analysis and all the analysis explanation in detail, or if you want to learn force trading in a live environment and live through live analysis, so most welcome, join our fast growing today community guys. Have a nice day.